Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to install and configure OpenCode. OpenCode is a really awesome AI coding agent. It's completely open source. This is a website opencode.ai, and for the past 6 months I'm using this AI coding agent for totally free and unlimited. So I will show you in this video how to configure this. So the very basic command npm-g opencode AI. Simply install this, copy this command, go to the terminal. I've already installed it. So you paste the command to install OpenCode directly inside your machine. So once it gets installed, I will show you how to use the free models that I'm using. So simply open OpenCode, directly type OpenCode after you install this. So the interface is very simple. It is similar to Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, GPT, Qwen 3 Coder, DeepSeek, Kimi K3. So it's really same. So this is a CLI tool of OpenCode. The interface looks something like this. So now you need to simply type slash model to actually select a model. So in our case, I need to use the free model. So in the search bar, I will simply type free. So now it actually shows you all the free models which are there. And at the end, as you see, these are all free models. As you see that. So OpenCode does provide you a lot of free models. No AI coding agent provide these much of free AI models. So every time whenever a new model is released, they actually give you a free access window every time. So you just see how much free models they are giving. So I basically use this model, which is Memo. So which is actually they are giving it for totally free. Memo version 2.5 free, which is developed by Chinese company Zwami. So I am using it for past 6 months, and once you select this, simply type message hi. So this model is really fast. It gives you instant answers similar to Claude Opus, Claude Fable, Gemini, GPT, Qwen, Kimi K3, DeepSeek. So if you run it for the very first time, it will take some time for the configuration to happen. So now as you see, I typed the message, it gave me the answer, hi, how can I help you today? So now if I ask you follow-up questions, top Node.js frameworks in 2026, it will not take too much time. So I simply ask a question, list out the top 10 Node.js frameworks. So you can just see right here how quickly it is giving me the answers. This is the context window that you see. So I'm enjoying free and unlimited access to this model using OpenCode. You also definitely install this and start using it. So we will now be building an application. So I will simply say to this build a image to PDF web app in browser, create a index.html file. So I simply assign this task. So now if you see currently the directory is empty. So I simply assign the task right here. So now it will simply create the application for us. So it is preparing writing. So now it is writing the file. It gave me a short little description of the application, what it will be building. So once it complete, you will get a notification on the left hand side. It will create a HTML file with the embedded CSS and JavaScript. So it doesn't take too much time, guys. That's the power of this OpenCode AI coding agent and this model that I'm using, Nemo version 2.5 free model that they are providing. So I'm using it for past 6 months and it is completely free. So I don't actually use any kind of paid model because this workflow open code plus Memo version 2.5 free model is more than enough. It actually creates production ready applications. The quality is awesome. So as you see, it written almost 700 lines of code. It created this application for us. So it just took 15 to 20 seconds to create the application. Now it actually shows you the description of this application, what they have made. So in this easy case, You can build out any kind of application. So this is a simple image to PDF application. I can even ask follow-up question as well. I don't like the UI. Please make it trendy and viral UI and unique also. So if you don't like anything in the application, you can ask follow-up question, and now it will actually edit the code and make this UI professional. So now as you see, it started doing this. It is really fast. It will redesign the entire UI to be standing out and feeling trendy. So it doesn't take too much time. So I think that if you're looking for a free alternative to Claude Code, Codex, GPT, Gemini, Cursor, this is a great alternative. OpenCode, simply free to install and free to use this free model, specifically this Memo version 2.5 free model. It is really fast. So I will be suggesting you definitely install this and start using it. OpenCode. So as you see, it is redesigning the entire UI. It just takes maximum of 35 to 40 seconds to complete. And this is a full stack coding application. As you see, image to PDF. I simply ask that I don't like the UI, please make it trendy, and now it is doing the job for us. So in this way, you can build out any kind of application. Just mention the framework, and if I refresh now, so now you'll see that it is actually looking like a professional UI. So drop images here or browse files. So it has actually created a full stack coding application. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel.